Or you better do your Nando. It's back to my channel. Back.
What's going on, guys? It's Nando. We're back with another video. I got this one here with me. You might have seen her from movies in the past, such as I was walking my cat and I stopped outside to talk to a girl. I'm gonna link her in the description below. Check out her channel. We got two YouTubers in the house here, but we're mostly excited about unboxing our new toy because this is not just gonna be something for me. I fully intend this to be something that we both have fun with. Everybody's on that Oculus Quest hype train. Everybody's on that VR hype train. And I figured why not go ahead and get on that hype train as well. And we're gonna do a quick unboxing, kind of giving you guys our take on how it looks, how it feels. And then obviously going forward, we're going to be doing some videos reviewing the product itself, maybe some gameplay, watching her play Beat Saber. My favorite thing about watching people play with their VR headsets right now is how stupid they look playing it. So that's part of the fun, right? So real quick, before we even start unboxing this, what do you know about the Oculus Quest? What are you excited about the Oculus Quest? Do you have any opinion at all on the Oculus Quest?
Well, every time we go to the mall and we see people at the, what is it, the Windows store?
Microsoft store,
They're
yeah.
always playing virtual reality, and they're always just moving around and looking stupid and looking awkward, but it looks like a fun experience. It looks like something of the future, which you would imagine the 21st century to be. I already kind of play augmented reality with Pokemon Go and with Wizarding World, Harry Potter games, but it's different because it's not immersive. You're not surrounded by
The world itself.
the world itself. With virtual reality, you are in that virtual reality. So,
Yeah, absolutely. That's pretty much my feel on it right now. I've had friends that are probably watching this video right now who've got different versions of VR headsets, whether that's PSVR or like Oculus Rifts or HTC Vives, etc. But the number one thing that makes this guy separate and different from the other ones isn't how good the graphics are, because it's actually a little lower quality for graphics, but it's the actual fact that you're not tethered. You do not have a cable hooking you from this to a PC. You don't need a powerful PC. You don't need a PC. You don't need any of that. You have a standalone console, like Oculus wants to call it. You have a standalone device that's going to be able to perform everything right here, which the charm is you can take this anywhere you want and play it anywhere you go. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this bad boy right here. While I unbox it, we'll talk a little bit about some games that I at least know for a fact I want to play. One is going to be Beat Saber, because everybody's letting us know, or at least a lot of my friends have told me that Beat Saber is a must buy, right? People have been playing Beat Saber on PSVR, on Oculus Rifts, on HTC Vives, all this other stuff. So we're definitely going to be giving Beat Saber a try. I'm actually kind of excited about the fact that I'm going to be able to lose a little bit of weight playing video games. So, yo, I am definitely going to be getting into this thing. And then the other game that I'm super hype about is pretty much any ping pong table tennis game that exists. I think Racket Fury, 11 Sports or whatever. I don't know. I basically love playing table tennis, ping pong, whatever you want to call it. So I'm excited about that as well. Anywho, what do you think?
So it goes over your head, and there's like a compartment. That's where you see everything, right?
Yeah, pretty much. So we got this box right here. That's going to be, I guess, your wall charger. I believe these are spacers, and then the charging cable itself. And the box is kind of cool.
Oh, it's magnetic.
It's magnetic. Magnets. How do they work? How do they work? I don't know.
I don't
Magnets.
know either.
I'll give you that right there. And then we've got the headset itself.
Is it heavy? How much does it weigh?
I have no idea how much it weighs, but
I have my scale downstairs.
we'll figure it out. And by the way, guys, this is the 64 gigabyte model. $399 US. $100 more gets you the 126 or 128 or whatever. But it feels good in hand. Sturdy. Got your full head strap right there. I'll trade with you. Let you check that bad boy out right there.
So you would have to take this paper out, right?
Yeah, for sure. And then the controllers themselves. We got 2 of these bad boys.
This is like 2 pounds. No.
The controllers feel light. I'll tell you that much. One thing right off the bat that I know that I don't like about these controllers, I don't want to sound negative right off the bat, but I know that they use, I think, a AA battery. I don't know how long battery lasts with a AA battery on each one, but I wish that they would just be rechargeable. I don't feel like going to have to go out and always buy a AA or recharge a AA. But
I have a question.
Huh?
Are you supposed to put this through your wrist, like the circle?
Nah, the circle's like the sensor.
Oh, I always thought like it was like.
Nope.
Okay.
Nope.
Never mind.
I mean, I like the packaging. I like the unboxing experience. It definitely feels premium. I'm gonna put this bad boy away right now for a second here. But this feels good in hand. These actual controllers feel good. You got the joystick, you got a trigger, you got a side button. You know, you got the radius. Yeah, no, I'm into it. I'm excited. I'm sure you guys have seen tons of other unboxing videos already. But let us know in the comment section below what kind of series you want, because if this goes as planned, I fully intend to have like a series of like different games. In other words, us playing Beat Saber, us playing, you know, ping pong, any really game that you guys would recommend. Please let me know in the comment section below, because we're new to this. We're new to this world. Only other experience I've ever had with VR was the HTC Vive, and that was the OG Vive tethered to a PC. So, anywho, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You already know what to do there. Check her video out. I'll link that as well. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Like always, it's Nando. We're back with another video. Peace, salute, and adios. And don't forget to stay geeky. Like always, that's the most important part. Catch you guys in the next one.